Today we're going to be talking about 5 things that you can do to build up your self-esteem instantly.
Hi, welcome to E-Class. My name is Eric Freeman, and today on this episode we're going to be talking about 5 things that you can do to help build your self-esteem right here, right now. I'm going to get right into it. The first thing that you can do that'll instantly help you start building your self-esteem up is you can start working out. When you see that your physique is getting better, you see how your clothes fit differently on you, it's going to make you feel better about yourself. That's for damn sure. When you first start working out, you get your rookie gains. Everything like your muscles, they're being stimulated at an all-time high. You know, they're constantly having to adapt to putting this new type of stress on your muscles, and they grow really fast. And depending on you and how hard you go, you can get yourself in real good shape in 60 days if you really, really want to. That in itself is a reason why working out is going to be one of the first and best things you can do to help build your self-esteem back up, or up if you need it to be. Another thing that I don't hear a lot of people talk about on YouTube about working out is just how well it makes you focus. There's such a big difference from when you're not exercising and you are exercising in your mental health. And when you have that type of focus and energy that you get from daily exercise, man, you're unstoppable. Exercising is definitely a major key. And that goes right into financial security, financial stability, having your motherfucking paper right, and build yourself a financial plan. And you start taking your finances serious, whether it's a check from work, whether it's what you're making on the go, YouTube, OnlyFans, Facebook, whatever you're doing. Having a financial plan for the money that you're bringing in definitely brings you security. The security is priceless. There's short-term goals with money. There's long-term goals with money. Like, you gotta understand that. That's the simplest thing. I didn't understand that for a long time, that there should be a plan one, and within the plan, there should be things that need to happen now, and there needs to be things that need to happen in the next few years. You know, you have to have an elaborate plan around your money, or you're just gonna be another consumer. And you have that confidence in the back of your mind that no matter what it is, you'll be able to take care of it financially. That's a security, man. That's just, it make you feel yourself. And it kind of does feel good. It kind of does make you feel like you should. You are the shit if you got your paper right. If you made it this far, this is one of the points where I'm gonna say, feel free to go into the comments and drop what you know. So if you have some input to these topics that we're talking about, I really want you guys to engage and get in the comment box and drop some game. Let someone know what I don't know. Let me know. Let's share all of this. But that goes back to one of the other aspects of financial security. That is credit. Credit. That is something that I picked up. Was just the one thing I wanted to learn about money. I don't know why, right? I could have learned how to do an e-commerce site. I got about 6 credit cards. Do I use them all? No. Do that make me look good to banks? Yes, right? And that's where all the whole finesse comes with this. But we're gonna jump so deep into finance. You know, just stay tuned. When I post these videos, every video is gonna have something that you can learn and that you can apply to your life that day if you want to. If you know anything else, hit me up, let me know. We'll definitely get that shit put on blast. And that's how we doing it, E-Class. The third thing, I would say almost most important thing that you can do to build your self-esteem. This one free. No gym membership, no hard work, knowledge of self. You can never look at yourself in the mirror and truly see how beautiful you are and how much you're worth until you have knowledge of yourself. The faster that you learn who you are and not who we are not who they are, the faster you'll be on the road to walking around with your chest poked out. You know, you got to know who you are so you can believe in you. Because once you believe in you, you're going to walk different. You're going to talk different. You're going to feel different. Once you look in the mirror and see something that you love, and it's beautiful. Because I get to find my flaws. I get to find the things that I'm good at. I get to find the things with a true, non-biased understanding of myself and be able to say, all right, bet. This is the shit that I'm going to get better at. And this is the shit that I'm going to focus on, because these are the best things about me. I got one thing here. Boom. This book, it's called 3,000 Questions About Me. It gives you the opportunity to read questions that somebody already wrote. You don't know what the questions are, and you can keep it real with yourself and write in the answer to the question. You get to come back to the motherfucking shit you wrote. Read the questions, see what your true answer was that day whenever you wrote it, and get to really see a perspective of yourself. Sometimes I read these questions that I answered and I'll be like,
I'm fucked up.
Right? And I say, I have to change that. Some things I read in here and I say, you know, I must have been in a bad mood that day or whatever it is. But I'm getting real game about myself. 3,000 Questions About Me. You should pick it up. I will link it in the bio. I bought it from Target, but if it's cheaper on Amazon, that's the one I'm gonna put. Shout out to Target. Then the fourth thing that you can do to help build your self-esteem up is buy a new outfit. Buy a new outfit. That's the number one thing for people where I come from. Like, when you get fresh, it's nothing no one can tell you. That goes back to their physique and the number one thing that we can do to help us feel better about ourselves, which is working out. You got that first 60 days in, you feeling your muscles and shit, you feeling yourself, and then you bust on a brand new shirt, fresh cut, fresh kicks, clean socks, clean nails, just clean as a motherfucking whistle everywhere. Who gonna tell you anything?
How, Sway?
You're gonna feel like a G. You're gonna feel the best that you ever felt in your life. It give you a reason to go out and be social, literally, and being a good person, because that stuff is contagious. Like, you ever ask somebody to be nice to you, a stranger that you don't even know? It feels good, and we should all be that stranger. We should be thrilled. We should be happy. We should be genuine. We live in life. We're alive. You know how many people is not alive? You know how many people wish they were alive? Right? And we're gonna waste it being fucked up to each other. I don't believe in that. And whatever you put out into the universe, I believe this is what you get back. Even if we're gonna even say, hey, if you're walking around with a mug on your face all day, nobody's gonna want to talk to you. Nobody wants to talk to the mean looking bitch in the cup. That's another story. But yeah, be good to people. Enjoy life. Smile. Have fun. Because all of those things are going to promote a positive environment, a positive mental space, a positive outlook on life. It all starts here. Those are things that I believe if we all practice as men, you know, as Americans, whatever you want to call us, if we practice those things, I think that we'll all get along a lot better. And those are the 5 things that most of my videos are going to be about. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, go ahead and drop a subscribe, drop a like, because we're coming back and we're going to be discussing this shit like real G's, right? We're not going to be on no other corny YouTuber stuff. We're going to be coming here, we're going to be talking, we're going to be giving each other game, and we're going to be making each other better. And that's what E-Class is all about.